Meaning of GIGO.
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 GIGO. GIGO is an acronym that stands for Garbage In, Garbage Out. It is a concept used in computer science and other disciplines to describe the idea that the quality of output is determined by the quality of input. In other words, if you put incorrect, incomplete, or poorly formatted data into a system, you will get incorrect, incomplete, or poorly formatted results out of it. This is particularly important in the age of big data, where the quality of insights and decisions can hinge on the quality of the data being used as input.